Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the 2025 John Deere 5115 ML, a tractor that's set to revolutionize modern farming. The 2025 John Deere 5115 ML is designed for low-clearance applications, making it ideal for orchards, vineyards, and other environments where space is at a premium. Its low-profile design ensures it can navigate under low-hanging branches and tight spaces with ease. Under the hood, the 5115 ML boasts a 4.5-liter John Deere PowerTech engine, delivering approximately 113.9 horsepower. This engine complies with the latest emissions requirements and performs regeneration automatically, ensuring maximum uptime and efficiency. The tractor features a 16R power reverser transmission, allowing for easy, clutch-free forward and reverse transitions. This is particularly beneficial when maneuvering in confined spaces or when frequent direction changes are necessary. One of the standout features of the 5115 ML is its newly designed low-profile hood. This design enhances visibility and provides better access, allowing operators to work more efficiently and safely in low-clearance environments. The Open Operator Station (OOS) is tailored for low-clearance applications. It includes a low-profile seat, a smaller diameter steering wheel, protected controls, and a low-profile, rear-mounted rollover protective structure (ROPS). Combined with the sloping hood, this design improves the operator's visibility to the front of the tractor. In terms of dimensions, the 5115 ML has a wheelbase of approximately 92.5 inches, ensuring stability and maneuverability. Its compact size allows it to operate efficiently in tight spaces without compromising on performance. The hydraulic system is designed for versatility, featuring an open center with a capacity of 14 gallons. It offers a pressure of 2,900 psi and supports 3 to 5 valves, providing ample power for various attachments and implements. For those concerned about fuel capacity, the 5115 ML comes standard with a 29.5 US gallon fuel tank. Optional configurations can increase this capacity to 38 US gallons, reducing the need for frequent refueling during long workdays. The tractor's design also emphasizes safety and comfort. The foldable ROPS ensures operator safety without compromising the tractor's low-profile design. Additionally, the ergonomic layout of controls and the comfortable seating arrangement make long hours in the field more manageable. As for the expected price, while exact figures for the 2025 model are not yet confirmed, previous models of the 5115 ML have been priced in the range of $70,000 to $90,000, depending on configurations and optional features. It's anticipated that the 2025 model will be priced within a similar range, offering excellent value given its advanced features and capabilities. In summary, the 2025 John Deere 5115 ML is a testament to John Deere's commitment to innovation and efficiency in agricultural machinery. Its combination of power, compact design, and advanced features make it a formidable tool for modern farmers seeking to optimize their operations in low-clearance environments. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 John Deere 5115 ML. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more updates on the latest advancements in agricultural and automotive technology.